After 2 miles.
It would be easy to step on the gas and just pass all this traffic, but I'm not going to crash. I'm going to get over one lane to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, and I have 2.5 miles before we'll be leaving the country, so that's really nice. And I'm looking ahead around a curve. I am holding the steering wheel a little firmly now because it is wet out here, so I'm not going to lie to you. I'm getting over one lane to the right, mirror, turn signal, and I'm turning back real easy, and I want to slide into the ditch. I see the cars. Let's see which cars use blinkers. Which trucks use blinkers. There are 3 of them. They're speeding up. They're going to cut me off. That's one vehicle that cut over 2 lanes. Dangerous. This vehicle is not doing anything. So you see exactly what drivers should not be doing. You do this on your DMV test or road test, you will definitely fail. Next tip. Should you drive with your high beam lights or low beam lights on, you need to drive with your low beam lights on, because if you drive with your high beam lights on, you'll reflect the rain, the water particles, and fog particles. I know in your mind you think, man,
in half a mile, keep right at exit 229.
We're getting ready to get out of the country. Hey, if you're new to the channel, I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. We're talking about driving at night with the night vision, driving in heavy traffic, in the rain. Got a lot of things going on. We've seen some incredible things already. I strongly suggest you continue
keep
watching
right
to the
at
end,
exit 229.
because I go over DMV test prep questions to prepare you for the knowledge test. I'm looking ahead. I'm not
Keep
looking
right
down.
onto I-696 westbound.
Going really easy around the curve. I'm not trying to overpower the surface on the road. I'm not trying to overpower this vehicle. The vehicle is a 2021 Charger. I believe it's the Hellcat. This is new to the channel, so we're going to be using this for tutorials. See, I'm squeezing my brakes, taking my time, keeping space. I'm deliberately going to show you what a student driver would do. Basically, I should be getting over, but I'm not making a decision. So you saw how this PT Cruiser just kind of cut me off. So you see the miss. I'm going to go ahead and get over one lane to the right, to the left. Blinkers on. I accelerate through my lane change. And it's real easy with the power of this vehicle just to hit the gas. You see how everyone kind of hits on the gas real hard? I don't want to crash. So I'm going slow deliberately. We're 20 miles under the speed limit. So I'm not trying to put myself in danger.